We had a few nights of intensified eruptive activity in the KayOne crater, which is the last remaining vent in the Sundunka crater chain, which is still erupting. It created lava flows toward the south and north, but interestingly also toward the west, where a group of geologists actually were able to approach it, take sample, as you can see here, and provide a scale for us. The tongue of the lava toward the north actually touched and breached slightly the L1, which is the lava defense wall for the Svartsengi power plant and the Blue Lagoon. We were able actually to cool it down by spraying cold water on it. It was done by our firefighters. As you can see in this beautiful map from the MBL, the slight breach has now stopped. It doesn't go any further,
lava lake.
but it continues to flow
at the moment
and drain the lava lake. Interestingly enough,
today,
that lava lake, which is not drained, collapsed.
A collapse.
And you can see it here. This
and
creates, of course, the continuous flow of the magma to the surface, erupting as a lava. Creates an air pollution problem.
As you can see here.
And air pollution problem continues also at the same time that we have the Svartsengi volcanic system, which I believe is independent from this eruption, continues also to inflate and rise the land. That means the flow of the magma compared to exit of it from wherever it is more than what is actually going out. The input of the lava to this reservoir, which I think is like an aquifer or a sponge, is around 1 to 2 cubic meters per second. That makes it around 3 to 6 tons per second of magma coming, adding to that portion. Gas pollution, as I mentioned, is also a problem, but it's flowing toward the north and will be also toward the west in coming days. So less danger for the most populated areas. Risk assessment, which is a legal document you can see here, stays the same. When we publish this and Icelandic authorities publish any failure to observe this and health and safety issues is your responsibility. It is published. This is the summary that we have now from the Icelandic Meteorological Office for today. And I covered all of it and a little bit more, so you will have also all the time receiving more when we analyze the data that we have and also the latest updates by the Icelandic authorities about these fascinating eruptions which has happened since the last 6-7 months.